Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to pay with PayPal on DHgate. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to dhgate.com and you'll be greeted by a website like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log in to your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to DHgate. But if you do not know how to do that, you can always go on our channel where we have plenty of videos where you can see how you can do that. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the official DHgate website where we have the search bar. We have all of the categories here. In the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. We have recently viewed stuff, we have your favorite stuff, and we have your shopping cart. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and pay with PayPal on DHgate. It is pretty simple and you just need to follow these few steps. The first thing that you need to do is go to the search bar and search for something that you would like to buy. For instance, I'll be searching for some shoes. Then you just need to go and click on the shoes that you would like. After that, you'll have, as you can see, the size of the shoes that you can choose from. You need to go and choose for size, choose a size, the quantity, choose an option if you have some options here. And then guys, when you click on buy it now, you'll have the option, of course, to go and click on PayPal rather than your basic card. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this, guys, really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it, as I said, informative. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.